water comes all the way from there to here?
Yeah, and it's gravity flow all the way. There's a few siphons in there, but there's no pumps. It's all gravity flow, and each time it makes a drop in elevation, we use the change in elevation to generate electricity. And from there, it goes to Sylmar. There's another power plant at Sylmar that takes electricity off of it again, and then it sends the water to the Los Angeles filtration plant. There's 2 filtration plants in Sylmar, roughly where San Fernando and Balboa meet.
Okay.
There's 2 filtration plants up there,
Okay.
one owned by MWD, one owned by the Los Angeles Department of Water and Power, and they will filter the water coming in from this aqueduct and the California aqueduct. They will clean it up, and then it goes into the distribution system. The water is coming out of the generators from those pipes, the penstocks, through the generators, through the turbines, and then the tunnel goes
Like,
in
how
front of
big
the building.
is this tunnel? Can you drive a car through it?
It's about big enough, about wide enough for a car, yeah. And you can sort of see over there something with a cone-shaped top on it. That's also an access to it. It's underground, it goes right through the mountain.
Must be kind of fun to work here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
My apologies, it's not neat and fancy and all that.
Incredible. That made me. I mean, it looks pretty fancy to me.
Okay.
I mean, look at it. Is that the water right here?
Yeah.
That's the water moving. It's the water. You're hearing the water moving, and you're hearing the movement of the generator. That is the top of the shaft that runs the generator. The green things inside them are generators. A generator is basically a magnet inside a coil of wire. The magnet spins around and essentially drags electrons through the coil of wire. What electricity is, it is electrical pressure moving someplace. We differentiate between bushings and insulators, and insulators separates a wire from a conductor. This has a conductor going through it. It's a spare.
Well, yeah, you never know when you're going to need an extra. Going down the road, you know, I need another conductor.
If it breaks, this goes on top of our transformers, and it goes into the transformer. That's where the lead connects, and it goes down into the transformer. The top of the transformer is here, and so another lead.
This is a spare?
This is a spare.
Well, this is
So it takes an army to put one of these things in.
Not really. We have that yellow thing up there. We have a 100-ton crane. That's enough of a crane to lift the generator out of the house. I've been here maybe 3 years before this. Just in case you're interested, this is what it looks like inside.
Oh my God.
The outer coil.
Feel the heat.
Yeah, we had this running yesterday. Whenever electricity goes through a wire or any conductor that has a little bit of resistance to it, heat is generated. The formula for that is I squared R. I won't go and explain it to you.
Yeah, that's.
But like your electric heater.
Has something to do with Ohm's law, right?
Yes.
I equals E over R, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Current equals voltage divided by the resistance.
There's a lot of variations on it.
But these are actually still in real-time function?
Yes, that one's running right now. This one was running a few days ago. That one's broken.
I hate it when that
That one's
happens.
broken.
Well, so you only have to have one running at a time?
So you can see the shaft turning up there on that generator.
Yeah. I mean, how fast is that going?
428
RPM?
RPM. 428 RPM. Much like the governor on the truck, it tells the unit how fast it can go. If it's going too fast, it'll close our wicket gates to slow it down. If it's not going slow enough, it'll open the wicket gates more to speed it up. The black hand is how far the wicket gates are open. That is how much water they're letting through. The red hand is what I set, telling it don't go any farther open than that.
So you have a big responsibility here. This thing, I mean, is it usually pretty trouble-free? It doesn't
Compared
break.
to the last place I worked, this place is beautiful. The
Yeah.
equipment is older, but it works a whole lot better. They overbuilt this stuff. We just got a new air conditioner. We had an old air conditioner that was leaking Freon, and so that's heater air conditioner. This is the control board for the units and the lines. We have two lines coming in here. As it stands, there's supposed to be three lines between the two plants. That is one line going from here into town, one line going from power plant 1 into town, and one line connecting the two of us. Thus, if any one of the three lines goes away for any reason,
You could just bypass it and run
Yes.
it right to the next line.
if their line goes out, they send their power through us.
Right.
If our line goes out, we send our power through them. And if the tie line goes out, we just,
Send it separately.
yeah. Thing is, their line into town is out. So their power is going through us. This is my line into town.
Okay.
Notice this number is bigger than that number. So he is sending the difference between what I'm generating
Right.
and
Yeah.
what.
Yeah. Okay.
The
So
difference between
if he
those
was
two.
sending at the same time, then this would be a 200, or no, actually they would
If
both be
I was
less.
if I was off, if my units were turned off, these two would be the same.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
We don't use it anymore. It's an automatic voltage regulator.
Yeah, it looks like an antique. Looks like
Oh,
something.
it is antique. All
you
this
know.
stuff's antique, but
Yeah.
most of it still works. Like these gauges,
Uh-huh.
they're all original, aren't they?
Yeah. So,
I mean, I'm sure they don't make them like this anymore.
if we want something, we have to have it made. I'm lowering our voltage since it is a little high. It's 7.9. You see how they move?
See, it's moving.
Okay? So I just lowered the voltage manually here at our board.
So what's amazing is that this stuff is all original, pretty much.
A lot of it's original. There is some new stuff, like the air conditioner
Well, I
told
mean-
you about. We do have,
But I mean, this is part of the
Okay.
original.
yeah, please
Console.
don't flip any switches.
Yeah, he knows better than you.
See?
Yeah, he knows better than you.